Here we come to the solo elevator at the NRG Convention Center in Houston, Texas by the NRG Park. It's a Kone with innovation security. Listen to that lantern, that sounds sick. This is gonna be an updated take. I'll let you listen to that lantern. That is something. Okay, I'm gonna have to diesel-deucey censor out that word. Anyways, I'll let you listen to that chime again. That is something. That chime seriously is wearing out so badly. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.